Hi, we're here to talk about three things. Why the Morris Group companies got into the high pressure coolant business, the benefits of high pressure coolant, and to introduce you to the Monster Accessories range of high pressure coolant systems. The Morris Group companies have been buying high pressure coolant systems from third parties for a number of years, and for a while we tried making our own systems. We discovered that third party systems often lacked in reliability or in functionality, and also that it was a lot harder to build a good high pressure coolant system than it appears. So in 2005, when Mike Sayers approached us and asked us if he could build high pressure systems for us, we agreed. We knew that Mike had made a very successful product for the Citizen Company. He'd made the Brookdale high pressure coolant system. And so we thought that he came with good credentials. We purchased his pump for a while, and we were frankly delighted by the results. They're very reliable, and they had all the functionality that we needed. After Mike had supplied us with systems for a couple of years, we decided that if we were to team together and develop products for the broad market, we could be quite successful. And so in late 2007, Mike agreed to join with the Morris Group, and we formed what is now Monster Accessories. And together, we are committed to providing the highest quality products and support that are the best in the industry.
I'm Mike Sayers. I've been engineering and building high pressure coolant systems for oil and water-based coolant for over 10 years. High pressure coolant typically increases tool life by 25 to 100%. It is required for deep hole drilling and gun drilling. When you run the high pressure coolant, the drill can run continuously through the hole without ever stopping. It solves a lot of the problems with the drill basically restarting a hole, so it drills more consistently, the life goes up, and obviously when it keeps moving forward, it never goes reverse. You get to the bottom of the hole a lot quicker. There's no product that can more dramatically improve hole making than a high pressure coolant system. 10 years ago, 1 in 20 Swiss machines was equipped with a high pressure coolant system. Now more than half of all Swiss machines are equipped with them because of the clear benefits they bring. We're expecting the same increase in the broad market for the same reasons. When you decide that you have an application that would benefit from high pressure coolant, we can provide you with a system that is appropriate to your needs. We have designed a range of systems that can be easily configured to address the specifics of your application. Our high pressure systems work well with oil or water-based coolants, can deliver volumes from less than 1 GPM to 20 GPM, achieve pressures from 100 to 2000 PSI, and are available with systems from 2 to 8 coolant lines. For most machining centers and lathes, we prefer to use the R-series pumps because all the equipment is built into the pump. We have to put a suction hose into the tank, and then the high pressure feed out to the tank, and then it's a matter of just having a control signal to tell the pump when to run, and then an alarm signal coming back from the pump to let the machine know everything's all right. This allows us to have a very easy, straightforward installation, so it's not so dependent upon how the machine's made. We've found over the years that most of the contamination that gets past filters actually occurs during a filter change-out. The person changing the bag ends up with a nearly impossible task of putting the dirt back into the system he's trying to protect. So we developed a filtration system that unravels as he lifts the bag out, preventing him from holding a 10-gallon cloth bucket of dirty fluid. It makes it much easier for a man to get the bag out without making a mess. We offer as an option the ability for the pump to sense that one filter is dirty and switch over to the next filter without any interruption in operation. All the products will go down to nearly 0 PSI and up to 1000 PSI. The variable speed pumps can vary the actual amount pumped to the requirement from 2 gallons a minute up to 8. The standard pump will go constantly at 8 gallons a minute, but with all of our equipment, the pressure is infinitely adjustable. V-series of pumps will change the pump speed to maintain the set pressure within the limits of the pump operation. So that will only give you the amount required for a particular job. And if you switch over to a larger tool that needs more, the pump will automatically speed up. When it switches to a smaller tool, the pump will automatically speed down. Anytime the milling cutters are running hot, especially if they're getting near the point of smoking, or if you're working in a cavity or a pocket where you're recutting chips, you can expect a dramatic improvement in both tool life and surface finish. This is the E-series pump. It's typically used for more basic applications and on smaller machines. The standard form is with one outlet. It can have up to 4 outlet ports. You use the standard number 4 filter. It's 2 horsepower, 3 gallons a minute, 0 to 1,000 PSI. This is the S-series pump. It's used where the pump itself has to switch the oil from one tool to the other rather than with a tool changer or maybe a turret. It has either 4 or 8 outlet ports as an option. It can also become an H pump when you put a heat exchanger on it. Like all of our equipment, it comes with an easy to maintain filtration system. It's a small compact unit that can typically fit underneath the bar feeder.